So now we're going to actually show you how to use the Omega Reflector 360 in a wedding environment, using it as a shoot-through white reflector and a shoot-through silver reflector. We first shot with the Omega Reflector 360 with the white side for a classic beauty, flawless look. We used the bride, it was perfect for her. Looking into the camera, we got these beautiful catch lights in the eyes, and it was soft and it was very pretty. Then we introduced the groom, we used the silver side for a very edgy, contrasty look. Most of you have a 5-in-1 reflector. Of course, you have the white side, the black side, silver, gold, and the diffuser in the middle. Most configurations are silver, gold, then you have to unzip it, inverse it, then you have the black and the white. Now, of course, if you're a working photographer, you know that you are going to use the silver and the white side the most. You saw in this example how quickly I went from that soft white side for the bride, and wanting an edgy look for both of them, I quickly flipped it, and we got the silver side as well. So that's the way the reflector was actually made. White on one side, silver on the other for most uses, then you can inverse it, and then you've got the gold and then the black. Let us know in the comments below which side you prefer, the white side or the silver side. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel below, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.